It's catchy.
Dígame. ¿Se puede poner ropa, por favor? Eva, ella no es Missy.
Bert spied a bright bundle of floor lily flowers. His heart started lifting. Beautiful names. Then he remembered. I've got little names. So quickly, he dug the paints out of his pack and hoped that with art, maybe he'd have the knack.
I did it!
He yelled to the Snoodles in town, then held up his picture as they gathered round.
You did it all right!
Said the Snoodles, replying,
You showed you're no better at painting than flying!
Then one of them laughed, and while eating a